Now, your first warning forecast with Jim Spencer.
Good Monday afternoon. Temperatures today back just slightly above average, but not yet to 100 degrees. And I mean not only in July, not back in June. This year, we have not yet had a 100-degree reading in the afternoon. Now, it's been close enough for uncomfort, that's for sure. 97 today. The heat index has been well above 100 on many days this month, as you know, because of the high humidity levels. 95 exactly average at the airport. 76 and 74. The low temperatures this morning, pretty close to an average July day, really. Last year at this time, by the way, this was day 33 of 100 degrees or hotter afternoon high temperatures. Well, let's take a look at that radar. I promised you I'd show you where those rain showers are out there. There aren't very many of them. Most of them today have been between Austin and Houston, and the majority closer to Houston. But if we take a closer look at what's going on in our eastern counties right now on our storm profiler radar, we'll find only a couple of very small, isolated rain showers down here in Fayette County. But second day in a row down here, areas around Smithville, between there and LaGrange, up toward Giddings. Some places had 1.5 inches of rain yesterday with some very nice downpours. Some of them yesterday actually made it up here into the Austin metro area. Not so much today, although I am seeing a little outflow boundary right there. You see that little line? So once that moves by you, you get a little wind stirring up, the temperature drops a little bit, and it probably feels just a little bit better anyway. Let's take a look outside in Austin right now. A live view from our 360 tower camera showing the buildup of clouds off to the east, but not enough over Austin that we're seeing any rain falling out of them. The temperature 95 degrees in the city right now. By 8 o'clock tonight, our evening planning forecast dropping it to about 90. At 10 o'clock tonight, looking at about 83 degrees. A warm and muggy Monday night ahead. In the area right now, temperatures 93 up here in Georgetown, 90 degrees down in San Marcos. That's where that little boundaries moved through. It's cooled you down just a little bit there. Same in Lockhart, same in Bastrop, and look at LaGrange. Second day in a row, your temperatures have dropped off nicely just in the nick of time, in the heat of the day. Yesterday into the 70s, I noticed, after the rain moved through Fayette County, into the low 80s right now. Where it hasn't rained, 93, 94, 95 degrees, still very hot. The humidity level high enough that these are the current heat indices. 103 in Llano, 104 in Austin, and right now at ABIA, it feels like 105. Partly sunny and 95 degrees in the city. At the airport, it's partly sunny and 94 degrees on the thermometer. Variable winds at 7 in town. A nice little breeze at the airport. Looks like that little sea breeze or outflow boundary has moved across the airport now. The winds have kicked up to 21 miles per hour out of, again, the southeast. Sunset tonight, 8:32. Mold count today, it's high. It's gone back up. That tropical moisture is coming back in. So we've seen a resurgence in the multiplication of the mold spores out there again, and they will likely be high again tomorrow. Around our state, Dallas 96, hot. Abilene 95. Down along the coast, especially where it's been raining, like Houston, for example, not too bad. 81 there. And you can see the bulk of the rain shower activity along the coastal plains and on the upper Texas coast. Around here in Texas over the next couple of days, our chances are going to get a little better. Now, tomorrow, probably only isolated activity again, but day after tomorrow, we're showing a little more widespread shower activity, maybe a few thunderstorms, too, in the afternoon. The reason for that, you can clearly see in our water vapor imagery here. Look at that upper level low, right there in the middle of the Gulf. Upper level. We're not concerned about any type of surface circulation developing or potentially transitioning into a tropical depression. Upper level low. Moving to the west right now, and as it gets closer to us on Wednesday, we'll have a decent chance of some showers. Two other little things the Hurricane Center keep an eye on. A little wave there in the Caribbean. A little wave here over the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico. Now that one, we'll have to watch. It could move due west into the Gulf of Mexico by next week. All right, let's take a look at it. The lows tonight. 70s, highs tomorrow. Well, not much relief tomorrow. Maybe a little bit cooler on Wednesday with that better chance of rain. Few low clouds coming in tonight, 77. Let's go 96 tomorrow with a partly sunny sky. About a 10% chance that you could see a shower flare up in the afternoon. Wednesday, we're a little more optimistic. We're going to go 40% chance of some showers, maybe a couple of isolated thunderstorms. Thursday, the same. And then by Friday, we begin to dry out again. It looks like the summertime ridge will set back up this weekend, and we'll see a return to just that plain old hot and dry weather.
We know it well.